high schoolers. Today, I'd like to show you a presentation for what might be your next exit, the future. Now, in case you haven't noticed, there aren't many of these signs out on the road today. That's the reason I would like to talk about some of the things that it will take to help you transition after high school. First, I'll talk about some post-secondary or after high school options, talk about your motivation or self-determination, help you with some steps that you'll need to take for success, and then I'll leave you with some additional resources. So after we have this discussion, you can look back at it. Are you ready? Let's go. Caution. Adulting can seem scary. So as you continue your journey after high school, remember, it is the Lord who goes before you. He will be with you. He will not leave you or forsake you. Do not fear or be dismayed. Part of being an adult is learning to manage your health, work, and time well. This will involve many of the student success skills we have been working on, like understanding yourself, confidence in yourself, self-advocacy, or sticking up for yourself and speaking up for yourself, independent performance, or doing things all by yourself, self-evaluation, decision-making, and the ability to make changes. All of these things help to guide your motivation and your self-determination. And all of these things will be necessary for you to have a successful life after high school. After high school, you will have to choose a path that will allow you to live the life you want. Some options involve college, training, and employment. College options, there are more things to consider, like how long do you want to go to college, and what field do you want to study in. Training programs can involve short seminars and things that you can use directly to go to work with. And then employment. What jobs are available? Do you want to just go right to work? What can you do? Where can you do it? Things like that. Once you choose a path, you will continue to set and manage your goals more independently. Step 1 is planning. What steps do you need to take to achieve your goal? After you have a plan, time to do some work. Begin doing the steps from your plan. Next, you'll have to evaluate your work and your plan. Determine if your plan is working. Are you getting closer to your goal? What could you do differently or better to help you reach your goal? And finally, you will have to adjust your plan, your goal, or your steps so that you can make sure you're headed in the right direction. Notice these steps are not numbered, they do go in an order. After you make adjustments, it's time to start planning again, and then you'll begin working and evaluating and adjusting, and so on. Some of the things we are already doing in our ICAP classes and in our transition room will already help you get ready for these things. But here are some places that you can go for help. Any school or college will have a disability office. This is a place where you can contact and get information about services or accommodations or support services. College in Colorado website is the website that we use to explore your high school plan. This website also offers career, college, job, and financial supports. They can tell you things like what jobs are in your area or what colleges are in your area and how to apply for them. And if you need money to help you go to school, where to find some money. Finally, if you're deciding to go to work, Colorado Department of Vocational Rehabilitation is a great place to start. These services are like the ones that the School to Work Alliance program offer, and many of you are already in that program. They help you get a job and keep a job once you're out of high school. You can visit these websites or contact these offices at the numbers below. I'm also providing you with some additional resources that I have used for this presentation. Thank you.